If you're a life insurance agent and you're tired of being hung up in the first 30 seconds of your phone calls, I'm going to teach you, and then I'm even going to prove to you what is the best and most effective intro to prevent people from clicking on you in the first 30 seconds so that you can get more presentations, you can have more people to speak to, and ultimately you can make more sales as an insurance agent. The goal of the first 30 seconds is to buy another 30 seconds so that you can eventually have them understand you, help you understand why you're calling, and more importantly, make more sales. Now, I'm going to prove this to you guys in this video. I'm going to actually practice what I preach. I'm going to tell you what the best intro is. I'm going to give it to you here in a second, and then I'm going to call 2-month-old, 3-month-old leads, and they're going to give me a ton of objections in the intro, but I promise you, if you use this, you're going to actually get people to open up, be receptive, and you can eventually get into your presentation to hopefully make a sale. Now, the intro I'm going to teach you here is this. It's not, "Hey, Miss Betty, this is John. I'm calling you about this insurance policy. How are you doing today?" That's a common approach. You sound like every telemarketer. The goal to not get hung up on is don't sound like everyone else that does get hung up on. And here's how you can do it. What you're going to do, your tonality is really important here. So I'm going to call, ring, ring. Hello. Hey, is this Miss Betty? Yeah, who's calling? Hey, Miss Betty, this is just Peter. Pause. Peter who? Yeah, it's Peter. You told me to give you a call today. I'm so sorry. I've been so busy. Is everything okay? What's this about? Yeah, it's about the request that you sent in. It was the other day. You filled it out and you put down that your daughter would be your beneficiary. Is that right? Perfect. Okay, so smile and tonality and curiosity. 3 things. Let's try it again. All right, hello. Hey, is this Miss Betty? Yeah, who's this? Hey, Miss Betty, it's Peter. Pause. Yeah, is everything going okay? You told me to call you today. I'm sorry, I've been kind of busy. Is everything going all right? Yeah, what's this about? Yeah, it was about the request that you sent in. It was about your son. You put him down as your beneficiary. Is that right? Pause. And then you move in. So anything along those lines where it's, "Hey, is this Miss Betty?" Confused. "Yeah, who's this?" she says. "Yeah, it's Peter." Like she knows me. Pause. She's gonna say, "Peter who?" "Yeah, it's Peter. Is everything going all right?" "Yeah, I'm sorry, I've been so busy. You told me to call you. Are you doing all right?" Like you're concerned. "Yeah." And then she's gonna buy time, and then you're gonna move into it. "Yeah, you told me it's about," and then you can talk about what it was about. It was about the request that you sent in on the internet. You told me to call you. It was about Johnny. Remember that? She's gonna say yes, and then you're into the sales pitch. So you're using curiosity, you're using the smile in the intro, you're using that breakthrough of like, who is this about? And then ultimately you're gonna go into your pitch a little bit. Okay, let's try it. Share with you guys here. I'm gonna pull up the leads. These are old leads. I'm gonna call them on my cell phone, and let's see how effective this is. Let's do it. All right, so let's go ahead and make some phone calls here. We have leads that are from 7/12, 7/13, so nearly coming up on 3 months. They're not 3 months yet. They're about 2.5 months old. These people probably don't know why I'm calling. These people probably like, what is this about? It's almost like a cold call. All I have is their first name, their last name, their beneficiary, and an email address. And we're going to go ahead and see what this is all about. And let's share with you guys how effective this is when you get people to answer. Let's see who can get on the phone here. 1475. Let's do it. Let's call Miss Virginia.
Welcome to Horizon
That's
Wireless.
Miss Dawn?
Yes, hello.
Hey, Miss Dawn.
Yes.
Hey, it's Peter.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Are you doing all right? Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's okay.
Oh,
Everything's okay.
Good. I don't know. You remember you wanted me to try to call you. I've been so busy the other day. You're hanging in there though?
Yeah, I'm hanging in
Oh
there.
my goodness. So good to hear.
That's so nice of you.
Yeah, I was getting all worried. Remember you told me to try to help you. It was about like the request that you sent in. You put down Christopher Meacham as the beneficiary. Is that still right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you put down, I'm seeing that is that correct?
Right.
Oh, okay. And you put down that you don't have any coverage. Were you just like looking to leave something for like the family, or are you just trying to cover like the burial expenses?
Just a little bit of both. You know what I mean? It's, not too much.
Okay, so something to cover like the burial expenses, but also maybe leave Christopher some money?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
A little bit extra. Yeah, I think last time I didn't explain how we work, but what we do is we specifically strokes, cancers before.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. What did you have, a heart attack or a stroke? All right, so I just got off of a presentation with her, and I was able to get her through the intro. Do you see how warm she was? See how receptive and curious she was and how she even let me speak. It works like a glove. So that was the first one, was able to get her through. Unfortunately, she was in a really bad, interesting health situation, so she was not in an okay frame of buying. But curiosity. Is this Miss Judy with the smile? She didn't. People don't want to feel offended if you act like you know them. If you act like you know them in your tonality, they're not going to hang up on you. They're going to want to be engaged, because imagine if your best friend from high school called you and they got a new phone, and you don't remember their voice, and like, dude, it's me. They're not gonna be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna hang up on you. No, they're gonna listen and continue to go through. This is why this is the best intro. Let me give you guys another example. Let's do it. Hey, Miss Sarah. Hey, it's Peter.
How you doing?
Good. How's are you doing? All right?
I'm doing pretty good.
Oh, you're hanging in. I've been so busy. I was meaning to get back with you. You're doing better though.
Yes, I'm doing fine.
Oh, do you remember me?
The doctor?
No, remember, you told me to call you when you feel better. We remember it was about, I don't know, we spoke the other day, it was about, or Ursula, you put her down as the beneficiary.
Right.
Yeah, you put down that you're 69, and you put down that you didn't have any life insurance. Are you just looking to like leave something for the family, or are you just trying to cover the burial expenses?
Burial.
Oh, okay, because you mentioned that you just wanted to make sure that you have something to cover like your burial, right?
Right.
Okay, so it wasn't going to be a good deal after speaking with her, got her through the intro, got her into the medical. But you guys can see right there how effective it is. They don't, I get my minute, I get my 2 minutes, I get my 3 minutes, I get my 4 minutes with them, all because of the intro. That is the challenge in outbound dialing, is getting people to listen to you, to open up to you, so that you even have an opportunity. So far I was able to move both of those people forward. We'll try one more with another individual here to continue to show how effective it is. Sheila?
Did she?
Hey, Miss Sheila, it's Peter. You remember me?
Peter? Oh, wow, a little bit. No, Peter name was not popping the bell.
Oh, you don't remember me, Peter?
Peter from where?
Yeah. Are you doing better? Oh my gosh. You remember me?
No, I don't.
Oh.
Tell me where I'm supposed to from.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I'm so sorry I haven't gotten back to you. I've been busy, been tied up, but you wanted me. I tried to help you the other day, but I think you were tied up. It was about the request. You just probably rings a bell. You put your spouse as the beneficiary. Remember filling that out?
No, keep going.
Yeah, I'm seeing you put down that. I hope you put down you're 60 years old and you're in Texas, and you put down it was about the whole life insurance. You remember that?
Okay.
You put
Don't remember. Go ahead.
Okay.
I've been dealing with so much insurance, so trying to get it squared. Everything's a nightmare with insurance.
Oh
Go
my
ahead.
gosh, what's been going on? But I'll keep pushing through. Yeah, you put down that you do cheaper life insurance. Is that right?
Right. Who's looking?
All right, guys. So we just finished up. We called old leads. We made about 50 dials, had 3 pickups, 3 presentations, all from the intro. So that right there is living live proof of how effective that intro is. If you use that, I promise if you're cold calling, it's going to help you get more people on the phone, keep them on the phone, and ultimately have more opportunities to become a more successful life insurance agent inside the industry or outside the industry. I hope it's helped. If you guys want more live footage like this, more cold calls, more calling, let me know below. I hope this helps. It's going to help you in your journey. See you in the next one. Cheers.